Hey guys, so today we're going to do something a little more interesting, but I'll keep it simple, don't worry. So first of all, you'll be in layout tab in the beginning. You have to move to the modeling tab. There you'll see this loop cut option. Click on that, and as you go near the edge, you'll see that a loop appears in the middle. But don't worry, once you left click, you can drag it and place it at the required region. Similarly, I'm going to make another cut like this. So we have two cuts. Why we're doing this is we need to extrude these two faces to make a different kind of shape. Okay, so we'll use this tool. One second. First of all, you need to select the face, of course. Okay, so right now it is in vertex selection mode. Okay, this is called edge selection mode, and this is called face selection mode. So we need to select a face. So we'll select it like this. Then we'll use the extrude region option to extrude it. Okay, just use it for extruding. Don't try to go back in. It will make a different kind of complicated structure. So once you're done extruding a little, you can use this move tool to change it further. Similarly, you're going to do it with this face. Extrude region, then use the move tool to extrude it. So like I said, a little more complex shape. So the tools we used are select box for selection, and we chose the face option, face select option. Then we use this extrude region to extrude the selected face, and once you have extruded a little, for further editing, it is recommended that you use the move tool. That we did in both the sides, and we have the object here. Thank you.